Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Sagittarius. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. Sagittarius fire sign, what are the messages for you and what's going on? So under the deck, 2 of cups with 8 of pentacles. The love between you and your person is mutual. For some, you are strong soulmates, strong soulmate connection. You both have so much love for each other. Yeah, this love is mutual love. And 8 of pentacles. Sagittarius, right now you're more concentrating on your career. Yes, you are busy with your work. You are creating more money. Yes, you are concentrating on your abundance. What I'm getting here. Yes. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 9 of cups, the chariot and ace of pentacles. Maybe your wishes already granted, Sagittarius, or you are wishing for something. For some, you are wishing for something, but it is in slow moving energy. But there is something big is coming into your life because ace of pentacles. Maybe you are wishing for new beginnings in life, or you are wishing for financial stability. You want to create more money. I think especially more about financial and money. You want to create financial stability. You are wishing for that. And the chariot, yes, you are moving in that direction. You are working hard to reach your goal. Ace of pentacles, yes, stability. And in relationship wise also, you want stability in the relationship. Again, in relationship wise also, it is very slow moving. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, especially Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. Then present is Ace of Swords, Knight of Cups and Two of Swords. I think you want clarity. There is no clarity, especially about the current relationship which you are in. So you want clarity. You are at some crossroads. Maybe you decided to move on, but one part of you still wanting this person back. So you are in some confusion state. You are unable to make any decision because Two of Swords energy is here. But someone is coming to you. It could be a past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. But someone is coming towards you, Knight of Cups energy, and this person have romantic feelings for you. At the same time, this person is in very slow moving energy. Then future, excuse me. Then future, the World, Magician and 8 of Cups. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. You are manifesting something big into your life, the Magician. And for some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Sagittarius, for some, you decided to move on from this connection. Yes. Finally, you got clarity. In present situation, you are not getting clarity, but in future you will get clarity and you made decision to walk away. Very few, maybe you want to leave behind everything that is like disputes, whatever happened between you and your person, still waiting. But I think a lot of you are choosing yourself instead of your person. Yes, you choose to walk away. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions. 8 of Wands. Wow. So they're planning to communicate with you. 5 of Pentacles. They are missing you so much. 8 of Pentacles. So let's see their current feelings, Sagittarius. see, death and rebirth. Ten of Cups with Magician. I think manifestation, one person is manifesting the other person in this life. And Ten of Cups, yes, your person missing this happiness with you right now, because right now you both are in separation because death and rebirth, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. So this is one type of ending between you and your person, but they still want rebirth in this connection. And Ace of Swords. Yeah, they want to communicate with you because Eight of Wands energy already we got, and Ace of Swords. So they want to say some truth to you and some truth coming out. So you want clarity, and they are also planning to give clarity to you and the world. Some cycles are going to be end. For some, a new cycle is going to be begin. So let's see their intentions. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, two cards. Six of Pentacles with Seven of Swords. In this connection, in past, there is no equal give and take. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Maybe this person is in and out of your life. They are not available to you emotionally. Always they are saying... always they're playing some drama when you need them. They're saying that I have some work, that type of talking between you and your person. And Seven of Swords, definitely someone is sneaking this connection. Trust issues right now, Sagittarius, you are not trusting this person, because that's why you choose to walk away for some. But your person may be waiting for right time, and they're ready to offer equal give and take. At the same time, there are some trust issues. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of cards. Maybe one person is spying on the other person on social media. Yeah, communication. And High Priestess under the deck, and the Moon. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. There are some issues, misunderstandings are between you and your person, but now your person listening to their intuition, listening to their higher self. So apology or text is coming. And for some, you both have age differences between you and your person. Definitely communication is coming. And Page of Cups. Children's also involved in this connection. King of Pentacles. Yes, your concentration is totally on money, but you still have strong emotions towards this person. But you are giving priority to your career, judgment, and you are in the process of making decision. For some one person, maybe you both going through some legal issues right now, but you're still hoping. You have hope on this connection, Sagittarius, but you right now focusing on your career, creating more money. So let's see mutual. Wow. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they are coming. They're willing to come back, but slow moving energy. You are setting healthy boundaries. You are very straightforward in nature, Sagittarius, but they are rushing to communicate with you. Definitely communication in June, or within 1 or 2 months, you will receive communication from your person. And for some, it will take a longer time because due to resistance, because everyone's situation is different from others. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But they are in rush to communicate with you. Definitely communication. Religious factors. Maybe religious factors affecting your love life. Reunion is coming. Reconciliation. Wow. I'm crazy about you. Age difference. Yeah, for some there is a age difference between you and your person. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Balance spirituality and practicality. So you have to balance both. You have to do meditation. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo, and it is full moon in Pisces, Pisces energy and Leo energy. So never show your attitude or pride to anyone. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.